Okay, we have here our XC Queen, XC Champ, Shane Yao, competing here at the Philippine National Downhill at Balili Bike Park. So Shane, congratulations, third place ka dito, Women Elite. So how do you feel to get the third place and how was your final run?
Unexpected. Sobrang saya. First national downhill championship ko to. And yes, may tayo, bronze. And yeah, yung final run ko, in-enjoy ko lang talaga. Maayos naman. Maayos yung run ko. Smooth lang. Sabi nga ni Kuya JR, enjoy ko lang. Kasi first time ko din naman mag-downhill national championship. And yung result, sobrang unexpected. And yeah, yun, sobrang happy for the bronze.
So Shane, are we gonna see you again on next downhill races here in the Philippines?
As long na walang conflict po sa XC races ko, nagjo-join po ako ng downhill na races po. Definitely next year, yes. A shoutout po sa lahat ng sponsors ko, Specialized Philippines, 30 South Multisports, Harvey Resto Sports Bar, Phil Cycling, Sir Oscar, maraming salamat po. And sa the rest ng sponsors ko, maraming salamat po. Para sa inyo to.